Hello everyone, my name is Neeru. I am your computer educator. I welcome you all to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. Today we are continuing the same chapter, chapter number 4, Editing Tools of Word Processor. Our today's topics are inserting columns and column break. Inserting column. Sometimes it is required whatever we have written in our document, we want to display that like a column format. Column format means in the vertical format we want to display. So that is called column. So we can insert the column by just selecting the text and then we will insert the column, 2 columns, 3 columns according to our requirement we can insert. And if we want to break the columns, that is also possible by column break. So let's do it practically. You can see there is one document and many paragraphs I have written here. So if I want to display, like for example, if I want to display these first 2 paragraphs in columns form. So firstly, I have selected these 2 paragraphs. After selecting the paragraph, I will go to the page layout tab. You can see here there is one tab, that is page layout tab. When we click on the page layout tab, you can see there is page setup. There is page setup. In the page setup, you can see here, this is my page setup. In the page setup, one option is here, columns. So we will click on the columns. According to our wish, we can take any option like 2 if I want to create 2 columns. If I want to create 3 columns, then go to the 3. Left, you can see in this picture also, you can see at the left side some text will display, but the right side large text will be displayed. And the opposite is this one. If you want to take more columns like 5 columns, 6 columns, then go to the more columns. You can see here there is one means the like a paragraph, as you can see in the document. 2, if I will click on the 2 option, then it will be displayed in the 2 columns. You can see here. If I will click on left, you can see at the left side some text is here, but you can see at the right side, you can see the text is more. So it depends upon you which you want to take. For example, if I want to take 5 columns, then you can write it here 5, or the second one is you can use these arrow. The up arrow for increasing the column. You can see here also the preview will come. I have taken here 9. So you can see here 9 column is displaying in the preview. If you want to decrease the column, just use the down arrow. You can see here. If I have taken here 5, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5s are here. Just go to the OK. Go to OK, you can see those text I have selected, that is now displaying as a column. I have chosen 5 column, so it is displaying as a 5 column. Clear? If you want to only one like a paragraph, you can choose this option also 1. It will display like a paragraph. It depends upon you how much columns you want to make. Now I have taken 2. You can see here there are 2 columns. So the next thing is column break. For example, I want after this word, after the coordinate word, what I want to do, I want after this coordinate word, I want all the text will go to the next column. It means I want to break the column from here. So what I will do, I will just put the cursor from where I want to start the column break. I'm just putting the cursor here because I want the column break. So just I have put it the cursor, and you can see in the page layout, same in the page setup group, you will go to the page setup group, and then you will go to the breaks option. If you want to do column break. I have clicked on it. Here is one option, column. When you will click on the column, you can see after the coordinate word, all the text has gone to the next column. So it is called column break. Clear? Same. For example, if I want after this word, galleries word, I want column break. So there is one method. One method is this one. Go to the break and then click on the column. But if you want by using the shortcut key, so there is one shortcut key for column break. So what is the shortcut key? Shortcut key is Control plus Shift plus Enter. It means you have to press 3 keys together, Control, Shift and Enter. When I will press Control, Shift, Enter, you can see it has gone to the next column. Again, I am showing you. Firstly, put the cursor from where you want to insert it. I am just putting a rectangular box from where I want to insert the column. See, for example, I want after the galleries word, it will go to the next column. Put the cursor. You can use the shortcut key or you can go to the break option. Shortcut key is Control, Shift and Enter. You can see here. Now the text has gone to the next column, and the other one you can see here, it is displaying here. So this is called column break. Column break you can do by two methods. One is by going to the page setup group and then go to the column and then go to the break. And the second method is Control plus Shift plus Enter.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will continue it in the next video. Thank you.